So we've got this job, and the ceiling is sort of, it's got to be 15 metres high, and they want to do chases down for new sockets, so basically got to rewire it. I was not interested in getting on them ladders and chasing all the way down, so I thought, right, it's time for me to upgrade. So this is what I've decided to use to upgrade. Let's have a look what's in here with this delivery. I've got myself a Metabo chaser. So let's have a look. And we've got a couple of blades, single blades. I want to do 20mm chases, so I had to get the triple blades as well, because that'll do the chase. Oh, a little bit of bolster, because you can't always get to the top of the ceiling or to the edge of the skirting. So yeah, it comes with a nice chisel, that's not bad. And I got the 240 volt one. So this should be quite good. Let's set it up. But then also, I'm an electrician, I don't like cleaning up. So we had to get this with it. Oh, the Hoover. All that does. Got a decent lead on it, so we've got to set this up as well. What is in this box? Attachments, and this is a wet and dry Hoover, so even if there's a bit of water on the floor, it should pick that up as well. There we go. Got little wheels in there, right, and it comes with a bag. Right. I've heard some good and bad reviews about these, so we've got to test it out. Put the bag in. Starters. So we want to get this. In here. That go in there. Bit of a bitch to set up, but yeah, we'll get the Hoover in. We'll clip that in there, so that's closed as well. Put the lid back on. It's a bit of a big Hoover. It's bigger than Henry, but similar. And we've got our 240 plug on there that hopefully we can plug the chaser into it. There. So let's plug the Hoover in as well. So the plan is, where's this? To get the Hoover plugged in. Nice clipped onto there. It's quite a sturdy. Is this going to get up to bloody 15 metres though? Oh, we've got to find that out. And that seals in there nicely. So then we've got to turn. So that's the self-cleaning. Got the hoover on. I need to put a blade in it. So how do we get this blade in? Yes, it does. It comes with the tool to get the blade in. So let's get this in. Basically, is there a right or wrong way? I want to go in this way. Let's get this, I think, to fit in here. It's a bit of a tight fit. Get the blade sitting in there, so that'll sit on there. Then you use some of these spacers. Don't think we're going to need them all. Put a couple on. What I'm going to do is get it in the centre. So I'm going to put one on, then stick the blade on, and then stick another spacer on. Let's see. I'm not going to do that because it doesn't fit. So I'm going to stick it straight on. And then a couple of the spacers, do her up. There should be a little clip on here where I can do this up. Really, I should unplug this. I don't want it going off while it's in my hands. So then how do I clip? There we go, there's a little button to lock the blade so you can tighten it up. Alright, keep that in spare. And then, because I was told with the 110, you need 2 transformers. One for the Hoover, one for the Chaser. But then I think this 241 is being designed to work together. So I'm hoping that it doesn't pull too much and trip the fuse. So then let's turn the Hoover on. So it's max. So we know that works well, but then let's get rid of this. So what angle? Change the angles. Somehow. Ah, there's a locking pin in there, so you got to undo that as well. Right. To get the right angle, to get the right depth. So yeah, this should help me do the job a lot quicker and a lot tidier. Electricians and their toys, they make your life a lot easier.